The recipient's ring video shows the man spitting, then smearing the spit with his hand. Happened yesterday in Hancock Park. The man logs that delivery and then he leaves. Recipient says he wants the driver to be tested for COVID-19. He told us Amazon called him and apologized and gave him a $50 credit. We're told the driver is no longer delivering Amazon packages.
Hundreds in my wallet. Where is it? Where the f is it? We don't have it. Where is it? We don't have it. Get all from your Get out.
कोरोना जैसी बीमारी का कोई इलाज नहीं है, क्योंकि ये बीमारी नहीं, ये अल्लाह का अज़ाब है आप लोगों के लिए।
Reports that 40-year-old Edward Babcock is accused of sparking panic inside a Big Lots store last week. The victim, a woman, and her 10-year-old daughter say that they were worried because of the pandemic. Babcock was eventually arrested and charged with assault.
Move. Wow.
She's coughing on him.
Wow. Wow.
She's coughing on him.
Wow.
She's spitting on him. Now calling the police.
Oh, she's spitting.
I have called PD. They are on their way. She spit on me, which
I
is
coughed.
action
Did you
of
see
assault.
how easy it is to get the phlegm out? It's a lesson. Get your phlegm out because that's where you're getting the fat out, and the fat holds the toxins and the fucking viruses.
Ma'am?
You think I'm just having fun being a stupid blonde? Yeah, like I am the only fucking blonde here. Who are you with your face all like that? I don't get any enjoyment from slapping you because your head would be rolling in the aisles. Do it.
So I came across all these video clips, and instead of showing you in individual videos, I decided to show you all in this one video of all of them. Because they're all like the same subject, like people being stupid, coughing and spitting on people for no reason at all, stating that they have the virus or whatnot, and now they're getting arrested or charged, and now they're going to be serving time in jail. And then that Amazon employee that got caught spitting on his hand and wiping it on the package, and all Amazon offered was a $50 credit. What if he actually had COVID-19 and then now your whole family ends up getting it, spreading it, some of your family members die? $50 credit goes a long way for that, you know? Yeah, it's just crazy, and people are actually getting charged with like terrorism charges and threats and stuff like that for actually coughing and spitting. Not only actually doing it, but as just like a prank, like saying like, you know, by somebody and like getting their reaction as a prank, they're actually getting charged as a terrorist. And you never know, this might end up happening because this dude ended up spitting in a store and somebody ended up reacting this way. So yeah, if people keep acting this way, they're eventually going to close all the stores. So like, yeah, I just wanted to educate you all, and hopefully you learn something, that people are just crazy and stupid, and you got to be careful out there. Wear gloves, disinfect everything, even your mail and your packages that you're arriving, because you never know. So let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Just like this video as well, and click that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot, and I really truly do appreciate it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all. Take care, and peace out. Now you guys know why my bed's always messy.